Hi, I'm Dorla, creator of the Piano Pyramid Group Piano Method. If you are a piano teacher looking for a clear, practical way to teach groups, you're in the right place. Here on this channel, you'll find simple, student-friendly approaches for ages 4 through 8 with Piano Pyramid Explorers and a complete multi-level ensemble system for teaching beginners through early intermediates, all in the same class. If you're just starting, begin with the Starter Kit playlist. If you teach little ones, head to the Explorers playlist. And if you're ready to teach multiple levels at once, explore the multi-level ensemble playlist. Everything here is designed to make group piano doable, predictable, and enjoyable for you and your students. Welcome. I'm glad you're here.